Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brandon, and this is my G23. I'm just mocking up a few turbo parts I'm kind of getting in mind. I'm not boosted yet, but I will be boosted soon. I am going to put the factory or the filter, the blocks filter and air pipe back on the car later. But I just wanted to show y'all my new eBay 50mm blow-off valve I got, and the way everything's going to look on the car, I think it'll look pretty awesome. I've got a backdoor style intercooler, so this will come in right there, go around and come back around. So, like that. Yep. So anyways, so, I don't know. I like it. It looks good. It's going to sound, I hope it sounds great. This will probably be mounted a little bit more straighter here. But thank you guys, and Gswaps, and like my channel, and build more motors, guys. Let's see more videos of people building motors. It's gonna be awesome. I think it'd be awesome. Anyways, subscribe to my channel. You guys have a good day.